Hello everyone, I am outside because I have a bit of an unruly house guest. Candy Canada, the one and the only. She is visiting for the week while Stephanie is away. I was invited to do a Friendsgiving video as part of the series from the vintage sewing, making, fashion kind of community on YouTube and Instagram, and I was honored to participate. I kind of just wung this recipe. It's like Brussels sprouts, bacon, cornbread that kind of disintegrated into cornmeal, but it still tastes good. So without further ado, let's get to the cooking. Well, I'm probably the only one in the house that's gonna eat this, but that's okay, because it's really good, and I love Brussels sprouts. Make sure not to overcook the cornbread, cornmeal. Candy, do you want to do the outro with me? Come here. Come here. Let me get you. Oops. Okay. All right, here's Candy. Say hi, Candy. Hello. Hi. She's a sweet girl. All right. Thank you so much for watching, as always, and I will see you next time. Bye. Bye. Bye.